Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna show you how to make this stunning and very easy to make, very beautiful feather DIY. Let's begin. So the items we're gonna be needing for this are a thin cardboard piece. You can take this from a cornflakes box or any thin cardboard, hot glue, cover, black paint, a pencil, cardboard pieces, a skewer, and scissors. So let's begin. First, I will be drawing a feather on the cardboard. Okay, I'll just darken the outlines to make it easier for cutting. And it's done. Now I'll just cut it, and I'll be back after I cut it. Well, now it's done, and I will be drawing a line from the center, and I will make a feather-like texture or design on the cardboard. What I'm doing with the hot glue is I'm putting one drop at the corner and I'm spreading it, making a lines. Those lines will give it a feather-like look, a more realistic look, as you can see here. Now I'll just leave it to dry. Next, I will be spray painting it, and always wear a mask while spray painting. Okay, it's done, and I have added a black stencil with black paint, and I've also painted the skewer into black, and I'll be sticking it like this. I've also used a piece of cardboard for support, which will hold it together, and I'll just let it dry for a while. Until that dries, I'll be making the base. You can choose whatever size or thickness you want for your base, and I'll be just keeping it, and I'll be covering it like this with the black cover. And after making a hole in the center, I'll be just adding a drop of hot glue to give more strength to the stand to hold it in position. And after that, it's completed. It looks really stunning, amazing, and it looks like it's made up of metal. You see, it's very stunning and beautiful, but very easy to make. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.